What's good, YouTube? It's your boy UpNextMal. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, I'm about to go ahead and reveal these locks for y'all. But before we even get into that, man, make sure I hit the first link in the description, man. Make sure I go shop, make sure I go cop, man. upnextmalyt.com. Go get you an UpNext satin line beanie or a multi-purpose beanie or anything, bro. Just go shop. You know what I'm saying? First link in the description. So what I really wanted to tell y'all was I started off with Freeforms. I started off with Freeform locks. I transitioned into like regular dreadlocks. You feel me? Regular locks, whatever you want to call them, bro. I'm not finna get in the back and forth with any supporter, any viewer, anybody in the comment section about calling them dreads, dreadlocks, locks. What's the difference? I don't care what the difference is. Okay, the only difference to me is the SEO, the search engine optimization. If you don't know what that is, you don't even worry about it. All right, but if you a content creator, you know what that is. So yeah, that's the only reason we call them locks, dreads, whatever you want to call them, bro. That's the only reason, like, I really care for it. You know what I'm saying? The search engine, man, on YouTube type shit. So I'm about to sit y'all down right quick. I started off with Freeforms. Now I got regular dreadlocks. I fuck with the I mess with the regular dreadlocks harder, bro, because it's just like, bro, like it's easier to maintain. It's easier to maintain. I know y'all like, damn, this nigga got crazy new growth. Yeah, I got hella new growth. It just be all up in my beanie. It be all up in the beanies that I be inventing for y'all, for everybody, for us. But like I was saying before, man, I started off with Freeforms. I got the regular dreadlocks now. You feel me? The reason I had to transition though, I didn't like the Freeforms. Like the Freeforms they would get flat sometimes. You know what I'm saying? They would get flat. It would just be really messy. You know what I'm saying? Like it would be messy. So if I went to church or if I went somewhere, this is of course when I was younger type shit. But the Freeforms, I'm gonna keep my satin line beanie off for the rest of the video so y'all can see the hair. But the Freeforms was messy. My camera about to die. But we're gonna vlog until the camera dies. I don't care. I'm definitely gonna be uploading more videos for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. We've been going crazy with the shorts. But I need to get on these videos. You feel me? And I'm about to turn these lights on. Hold on, y'all. My bad. I'm sorry for keeping it so dark. It is like, it's 11:30. It's 11:34 right now, y'all. 11:34. What y'all doing? Nah, but I'm about to head to bed after I get done recording everything that I need to record. Maybe a couple more TikTok videos. If y'all haven't already, man, make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll be posting like crazy on TikTok and Instagram. I really post more on TikTok and Instagram than I do on YouTube now, which it wasn't like that, but it became like that. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I told y'all my camera was gonna die, alright? I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, but it's about 12:30 a.m. in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up for y'all. But, like I was saying before, not even like I was saying before, but anyways, if you have Freeform locks, bro, go ahead and dread your junk up. I don't even know what you waiting on. What are you waiting on? You need to go ahead and just dread it up. You feel me? Go ahead and lock in. Because if you think about it, your hair really gonna lock in already. It's gonna be locked regardless. You feel me? Because if you keep letting your Freeforms grow like that, bro, you gonna be locked in regardless. You feel me? So you might as well go and go to your little hair salon, store hair spot, go on and get you a little twist, go on and get you a little retwist. Now I do advise y'all, if y'all got starter locks or if y'all trying to get starter locks, man, grow your hair out from 6 months to a year. Grow it out 6 months to a year. Grow out your afro 6 months to a year. Then go get your starter locks, all right? Freaking glare. My laptop. But Then go get you a starter lock. Go get your starter locks after 6 months to a year when you growing your afro out. Alright, that's the best time to do it. I done made plenty shorts. I done made plenty TikToks about it. Everything, bro. I even told y'all like the real reason why I got rid of my Freeforms, right? It was too hard. It was too hectic to maintain. Okay, so with regular locks, man, I ain't gotta do nothing. You know what I'm saying? With my UpNext beanies, first link in the description, bro, I don't even have to get a haircut if you want to keep shit 100. You know what I'm saying? If you want to keep shit 1,000, I really don't gotta get a haircut, and you won't never know until unless I take my beanie off. You feel me? But I got a whole bunch of new growth. I got about like 3 or 4 months worth of new growth. This is normal to me. This is my hair. My hair knows what's going on. You feel me? Like I get a retwist every 4 to 5 months type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like my hair know what's going on. Now this right here, I don't know what's going on with this. Not that, but this. All this extra new growth. I don't know what's going on, man. Hopefully the next stylist, the next loctician I go to, I'm definitely gonna record it for y'all. I'm definitely gonna vlog it for y'all, of course. But the next loctician I go to, of course, I'm gonna have them put this into the dreads and everything like that. My last loctician, that shit was not. It wasn't too professional. Okay, that's how I say. Like my last retwist was like 2-3 months ago. It wasn't too professional, so I wouldn't even count it. You know what I'm saying? But another great starter lock tip for y'all is be careful on using oils, and waxes. Be careful on using products on your hair, period. You know what I'm saying? I know I say this like every video, but for some odd reason, people really think, oh, if I keep using this growth oil, it's gonna make my hair grow. Bro, just chill. Just chill, man. Just chill, bro. Just chill. Oh, this growth oil, that, man. Just chill, bro. Cause in reality, when you have dreadlocks, bro, you really not supposed to be going crazy with the oils and things of that nature, just cause of the simple fact. It's like, you see this, bro? You see this? Not this. You see this? You see this lock, bro? Having locks, all this is like mushed up hair. You feel me? Imagine, it's just mushed up hair, right? So it's almost like a sponge. You get what I'm saying? So if I put oil on this, right, what you think that's gonna do? The oil damn near gonna soak into the dreadlocks and create buildup. You know what I'm saying? And the reason I'm telling y'all this, cause like I done lived through all this, I done been through all this, that's why I come out with specific products. That's why, you know what I'm saying, I started out with the beanies, but of course the UpNext lifestyle, the brand is gonna grow even bigger than just beanies and all that other type stuff. Bigger than just merchandise, okay? This is way bigger than just merchandise. I started it out leaning towards the merchandise way, but we're gonna build this into a brand, okay? It is a brand. We're building it. We're scaling the brand, okay? And so we started out with the satin line beanies, of course. Then we got the multi. Well, of course we started out with the all black one, the all black satin line beanie. Then we went to this one. Now we at this one, which is like my latest. It's my latest drop. But I got another beanie. I'm not dropping it though. I got another beanie, but I'm not dropping it. It's hard. It's hard as fuck. I'm definitely, cause we're approaching the summertime, bro. So what I look like dropping another beanie for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's hard as fuck. I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comment section down below what y'all want. What y'all want from me. What I know a lot of y'all saying ski mask, hoodies. So I know ski mask and hoodies for sure. But just comment down below what y'all want. I definitely gotta make y'all some flares. I love pants. I love joggers. I'm in joggers 24/7 if I can be. If I'm in the crib, I'm in joggers 24/7. So I definitely gotta get some flare pants, some jogging pants, some type of pants. You know what I'm saying? So be on the lookout for that too. Yeah, man, y'all be on the lookout for these consistent uploads as well, man. These consistent uploads, these shorts, all that type stuff, man. Instagram, TikTok, even Facebook, bro. We on Facebook now. You know what I'm saying? We going crazy on Facebook now. So make sure y'all go check us out on Facebook as well, UpNextMal. Okay? Y'all already know we was on TikTok going crazy. We just started going crazy on Instagram. Now we going crazy on Facebook. And y'all know we still uploading the shorts too. So we on all platforms, man. We going crazy on all platforms. I appreciate y'all for supporting. I appreciate y'all for just clicking on the video and just watching, bro. And I'm gonna catch y'all for later, bro. Peace.